Hello everyone, this is Chris Burns from Slash Gear. Today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Tab full-size keyboard dock made specifically for the 7.7-inch tab. Now what we're looking at here is actually the 7.7-inch tab from Verizon. So it has LTE as well. You can tell that it is Verizon by the tag right up there, and it's immediately plugged into the dock. Now the dock, you can see, is made specifically for this model, and it has a full keyboard dock and is able to do certain things like pull up internet, pull up all sorts of different things right from the desktop. Now, you have a basic keyboard experience here. You can type very nicely. You can see that when you type just out of nowhere, it brings us right into a search. That's nice and handy. Go back out here. You tap the Windows button. It does nothing from here, but this is going to work with Honeycomb and Ice Cream Sandwich. Right now it's running with Honeycomb. You have back button right here, home, and then the internet. Now this is the one that I just showed you. Tap internet and it goes straight into your basic internet browser. In the future, we hope that this is going to be able to be tied to any internet button that you hope it to be tied to. Right now it opens up WebKit. This is another website called It's Nice That for graphic design. We're just on Slash Gear. You can see it works very nicely here. Go back out. As you can see, there's no mouse. There's no USB around the sides here. The only things that you have around the sides are on this side you have a 30-pin dock connector kit. Let's take this out and just show you here quick. Makes that noise when you plug it in and out. Right here you have your 30-pin for plugging in right on top. It fits very snugly, nicely in there. In the back you have speaker line out. This is made for either you could have headphones on here or you could plug it into a bigger amount of speakers. The interesting thing is that it has that, but it also has, when you're plugged in, you still have the ability to get to your own speaker out from the device itself as well. Now, you've got this light right here. It shows you how much battery you have left. This device has its own battery, but it works with the battery, whichever battery you want it to work with. And as you can see, it has another 30-pin connector right here. So you can plug this into the wall as you're connected to that device, or you can connect it to your computer as well so you can access your files. On the bottom, you have sort of a rubberized piece right here so you can stick to your table. You have a little bit of information there for FCC, 2 more bumpers right there, and it sticks very nicely. This unit is very high quality, I would say. It's one of the nicest keyboard docks I've ever seen, especially for a mobile device such as this. Now if you plug it in there, makes that noise again. Some of the other keys we got here, you tap here, you get your applications. Right here you have your menu button. Let's head back out so we can get something better from menu. Oh, looks like we can't get menu from here. Oh, look at that later. You have a lock button right there, so you can lock and unlock it, like so. You have tab, caps lock shift. You're able to turn your keyboard on from the desktop here as well, if you want, or your home screen right here if you want to use that one instead. You also have the microphone button, which will get you some voice commands. You can just talk about it. I don't know. I deactivated it for one reason or another. You've got your ability to get your menu right here. This is Honeycomb again. This will work with Ice Cream Sandwich. And then you have controls such as brightness and volume. And then you'll have these keys over here which direct how your music is being played. Next track, previous track, and start up music if you wish. Play music right from our music application without even having to open it. Answer that. And what else I want to say about this whole thing? The whole thing is available now from wherever you buy Samsung devices. Probably you're going to want to go get it online. I think they're selling it at Verizon as well. And then if you actually do want to use this with a mouse, you're going to have to use either a Bluetooth mouse with it, because Bluetooth works with all Android devices, or you're going to want this little deal right here. So if we can refocus. This device is a little connection kit which you tap, you plug into your 30-pin. This will work going through the keyboard, and then it allows you to have a USB port. So with this, you're going to be able to have a mouse with a cord, and it'll work really great. This is made specifically for the Galaxy Tab line, also from Samsung. Check them all out today.